Connect together. This is 2D. This is 3D. You connect already? Good job. Triangle. How about this? This is 2D, right? 2D square. Yeah. How about this? This is square, but this is 3D. Okay. This is rectangle 3D.
7 equals 31.
20 plus 11 equals 31.
Yeah.